Howdy, y'all. Bidding kicks off in our online Texana auction on October 29th. Here's a walkthrough of how it all works. First things first, we have to get you there. So in your browser, type in airauctioneer.com/CBP. That's airauctioneer.com/CBP. Ah, I see you've arrived. Okay, so at the top, you see our banner and our greeting text, followed by some useful information that tells you items can be inspected here at our Corpus store prior to the auction's end on November 4th. Insured shipping of whatever you win is free. Payment is due within 7 days of the auction's end. And lastly, that we encourage you to sign up for SMS or text notifications on your phone to alert you if you're outbid. And we'll cover all of that just a little bit later on. Immediately below all of that information is a grid or listing of all of our auctions. So we're going to select this 2-volume beautiful Bancroft set to walk you through how to bid. At the top of each auction page is the title and then a banner image. Below that, you have information to the right, a large image to the left, and above that image, little thumbnails for every other picture that I took of the book. So you can have images of the front cover, the back cover, the spine, the title page, any maps, any autographs. You see all that to the left. To the right, you have the author, the title, publication data, condition report, and why the book is important. I tried to include everything you might need to know to make an informed decision about bidding on this book. Right under the big banner image is where bidding takes place. But first, we have to get you registered. To the right, under bidding, you're asked to sign in. Click on that, then click on the Register tab. Enter your email address and double check that for correctness. You'll need to be able to receive a verification email, and that won't work if your email address is entered wrong in the first place. Then enter the password of your choosing. Enter the same password again to confirm that you typed it right the first time. Then triple check that email address just to make sure you got it right. Then at the very bottom, there's the standard tick box that says you've read the user agreement. So you put a check in that box, click the big blue button, and that creates your account. Now we just need to verify your email and you'll be good to bid. Go to wherever you check your email, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, wherever, and look for an email from team@airauctioneer.com. It should look a little something like this. If you use Gmail, it may end up in your promotions folder or your junk folder. Once you've located it, click the blue box in the email that says Verify Email Address. The site will ask you to log in with your email and the password that you chose. And once you do that, you should be ready to bid. All the action happens here in the bidding block. The bidding for this set starts at $100. There are no reserves or buyer's premiums in this auction, by the way. If you've ever bid on eBay, then you're familiar with proxy bidding. That's where you enter your maximum bid and the system bids on your behalf, the minimum amount to keep you the winner until your maximum is beat. In this case, I wanted to enter a proxy bid of $150. That means if someone comes along and bids $110, I'll automatically outbid them. I'll outbid everyone until they enter more than $150. So you enter your maximum amount in the box and then click the button. That takes you to the confirmation screen. And this just reminds you that you have to be 100% sure before you enter the bid. If you're sure, click the box and then click on Submit Bid, the green button. So now you've placed a bid. What happens if you get outbid? Well, we'll send you an email for one, but you can also sign up for text or SMS notifications. To do that, go to the item information of any of the auction pages and look for the link to subscribe to text alerts. Click on the subscribe button and this takes you to your notification options. Tick the box next to send me an SMS message when I'm outbid and then tick the box below it. And then click Save Changes and it will prompt you for a phone number because you haven't entered one yet. Scroll on down where you see the red text and it wants you to go to your profile page to enter your phone number. So click that link, head to your profile page, and scroll on down to the phone number field. Enter the area code and phone number where you'd like to receive text messages if you're outbid. Now click the little consent box and then the green button under it to save your changes. And that's it. You're signed up for SMS notifications, and you'll receive a text message immediately if someone outbids you. Also, within your profile, you can view a list of all the auctions you're participating in, what you've bid, and whether or not you're winning or losing. And we've configured this auction so that for privacy's sake, all bidders are anonymous. So if you scroll down and you look at the list of who is bidding on any particular auction, you'll see a series of letters and numbers identify each bidder, and that keeps everyone's identity hidden. The auction lots will begin to close on November the 4th at 9 p.m. Their end times are staggered by about a minute so that they don't all close on you at one time. Oh, and a note on last minute bidding, also known as snipe bidding. If a bid is entered on a lot within 5 minutes of that lot's closing time, the end time on that lot will be extended by 5 minutes so that everyone who's interested can take one final crack at that book. Once bidding has ceased and everything's been quiet for a solid 5 minutes, then bidding will automatically close on that lot. Then, when all the lots have closed, the system will tally up your wins and email you an invoice. You can click the link in the invoice to pay securely online with a credit card, and we'll also accept PayPal and check payments. If you have any questions at all or would like to schedule a viewing of any of the books, please just email us. We wish you the best of luck in your bidding, and this is Michelle signing off. God in Texas, y'all.